for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from me, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to follow up wait, you will have to check it out, check the chart out to know if things are still going on as predicted before you jump into it. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. This is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and I'm using a custom made indicator on my chart. So this has been an uptrend for a very long time. We actually milked it, but it has gotten to this resistance zone. Okay, it has not been able to break out from there. So and it is giving us this kind of chart pattern, and already gave us a downtrend signal and a sell signal. However, I had to wait for it to break out from here first, and after breaking out, it had this pullback. So this is the entry point, and this is going to be a stop loss for us. Okay, so I'm actually expecting it to get to this region as our TP. Okay, and of course we can also add more TPs to it. So I'm just going to do this right now. Okay, so let's see how far this will go. So this is going to be the last TPs. Okay, so we expect more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity right from there, except if it goes back to break out above the resistance zone. That is when it's going to buy more. Okay, now let's move on to GainX 999. Let's see what is happening with GainX 999. This is GainX 999, still on 15-minute time frame. This actually, we dropped this signal 2 days ago, and it started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and you can see it selling and selling. It activated our entry point at this point and also achieved all our TPs. Okay, it's just achieved the last one, got to this support and was unable to break out from there, so it had a pullback. It will be going down there again to see if it will break out below the support zone. If it breaks out below it, definitely it's still selling more. But if it does not, it should go back up to break out from this structure. Okay, to give us a kind of market switch at that particular point. And that is when you can say that it's going to buy at that particular point. But for now, it is still selling. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's move on to the next asset, which is going to be PainX 1200. For PainX 1200, it got to the resistance zone at this spot, and of course, tried to go back on downtrend and went back up again. And this time around, it has given us a downtrend signal again and a sell signal. So right here is our entry point, our stop loss at this spot, and of course, we have some highlighted TPs for us. Expecting this to sell more. Next asset is going to be PenX 999. Let's check it out. Okay, this is PenX 999. Okay, this also gave us a lot of profits today. Okay, so it started the signals actually picked up yesterday. I dropped the signal yesterday, and it finished all the signals today. Okay, I gave us update on it earlier today. So TP1 achieved 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and now it has also achieved the sixth TP. Okay, that's so amazing. Earlier today, I told us that we expected to achieve all these last three TPs, and it has just achieved them right now. I'm really happy for this. Congratulations to those of you who are able to pick up this signal. So this has gotten to the support zone at this pullback, and it's trying to check it out again to see if it will break out from there. If it breaks out from there, to continue to sell. If it does not, it will switch back into an uptrend. But for now, it is still selling. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80, and this is another setup that we are seeing. This has been an uptrend for a very long time. Tried to sell so till it got to this region, went back up, and it has given a sell signal again. Entry point, stop loss, and some TPs highlighted again. Okay, so this is also more of a selling opportunity. The only reason why it will not sell, if it goes back up and breaks out above the resistance zone, that is when it's going to keep on buying. Okay, but for now it is giving us something like a selling opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to, who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos very well, practice very well on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.